am so excited. Oh my God. It looks absolutely phenomenal. It's the Dolly second edition baking collection. Let's take a look. I am very excited about this. What is, oh my goodness. Let's take a look. Whoa. Here it is. What do we have here? We have a special note from Dolly. Thank you for showing your love for my mixes. Happy baking, Dolly. We also have some recipe cards, cheddar and chive biscuits, jalapeno cornbread, and pecan pie brownies. Wow! And we've got our brownie mixes, caramel turtle and fabulous fudgy. Also inside, we've got sweet cornbread mix and buttermilk biscuits. But what's this? A spatula? What would Dolly do? And there's one more item. There it is, tea towel. What would Dolly do? Magnificent!